TCWB M10TG 4 spindle pass-through nut tapping machine. With 4 spindles, suitable for tap hexagon nuts, flange nuts, weld nuts, square nuts. Spindle servo motor 2 kilowatts or 2.5 kilowatts. With speed 3000 RPM. Feed servo motor 0.4 kilowatt with speed 3000 RPM. Tap range from M5 to M10, productivity per spindle 20 to 30 PCS per minute. Advantages: can automatically choose and separate defective parts, with screw tap wearing out or breaking warning with high accuracy. Dimensions: 1500 mm length, 1200 mm width, and 1850 mm height, weight 1800 kilograms.